Hello friends, I'm going to show you a new sound, air. The stretchy sound, air. Look, there's a tiny picture on the back. It's a mummy taking the cake that the children asked. Look, there's a tiny phrase. I'm going to read it. That's not fair. I'm going to do the action for you now. That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. I've got a card here for you with some words on it. Can you spot the new sound, air? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to read them one by one for you. Fair, stare, air, chair. Mommy and me have done loads of activities. You can watch it later. Bye! Hello friends, I'm going to show you the new Set2 sound, air. Look, there's a tiny picture on the back. There's a teacher showing some children how to whirl and twirl. Look, there's a tiny phrase. I'm going to read it. Whirl and twirl. I'm going to do the action for you. Whirl and twirl. Whirl and twirl. Whirl and twirl. I've got a card here for you with some words on it. Can you spot the new sound? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to read them one by one. Girl, girl. Bird, bird. Whirl. Dirt. Mommy and me have done loads of activities. You can watch it later. Bye!